Okay, what I'd like to know is, okay, so how is the soil going to be able to be okay to grow non-GMO crops after they've been growing GMO crops? Can you just switch and all of a sudden it's okay, or does it take years to recuperate?
So that's a good question. Yes, switch. Just stop growing the GMOs. There will be some, feed the soil. That's really the key to agriculture as far as my experience, and I haven't been doing it that long, about 40 years, so I've learned a couple tricks. And the key is use compost. Compost, compost, compost. You've heard that in my classes, and it works. You see, as soon as you see that life coming back into the soil, the earthworms, the roly-polies, and all that life, you know your soil is alive. If you don't see any of those, you know it's dead, and it does take time.
We have thousands and thousands of acres. We can't put compost on all of them. How do we?
Well, yes, you can. And there are other ways of doing the compost. Green manures.
Yeah, well, the farmers will do that. If the farmers will do that.
But I have no control of what other people do. I can tell you what I do, and if you listen to me and use the techniques that I'm suggesting to you, we can make that change one plot of land at a time. There are farmers out, one of the problems with genuinely organic meat for those who are meat eaters is that the farmers can't get organic ingredients. It's difficult. Right? So there's a whole process that has to take place, that is taking place, a change in the paradigm, shift in the paradigm. It's going to take some time. It's not going to happen overnight. Right?